to hear this if you're a tech lover. The tech world is buzzing with excitement. The Redmi K70 is here to blow your mind. This latest release is packed with features that are sure to impress. Let's dive into what makes the Redmi K70 a game changer. First up, the display. It's not just any display. A stunning 6.7-inch AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. It's like having a mini movie theater in your hand. Imagine watching your favorite movies and shows with such clarity and smoothness. Next, the camera. Triple lens system with a 64MP main sensor, ultra-wide lens, and super macro capabilities. Capture every moment in incredible detail. Your Instagram feed is about to get a serious upgrade. Performance, let's talk about what's under the hood. Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor paired with 12 GB of RAM. This means lightning-fast performance. Translation, super smooth multitasking and gaming. Whether you're switching between apps or playing the latest games, it handles it all effortlessly. And battery life? A massive 5000 mAh battery with 67W fast charging. You can go all day without worrying about running out of juice. Say goodbye to battery anxiety. Finally, the price. Starting at just $499, it's a steal. Premium features without the premium price tag. You get top-tier specs at a fraction of the cost. So, are you ready to level up with the Redmi K70? This could be the upgrade you've been waiting for. Stay tuned for more tech updates from 9to5Tech. We're here to keep you informed on the latest and greatest in technology.